This video will help you achieve full marks on GCSE physics equations, and it does this by using the FIFA method. This method has been written about by Griffin Jones, and it's written in a blog entitled E=mc² and all that. But I'll explain in this video about how you should be using it and embedding it all the time. So FIFA, the first F we want to talk about is the formula. So when it comes to your equation, your calculation question, just write down the formula that you're using, whether you remembered it or you've got it from the formula sheet. So let's say it was your gravitational potential energy. So we should know that gravitational potential energy equals mass times gravitational field strength times height. The next thing we want to do is to insert our values. And these values will be given to you in the question somewhere. And so from highlighting these in the question stem, you can put them in here and you'll gain a mark for it. So let's say it tells us that the potential energy was 200 joules and a mass of an object was 10 kilograms, and we want to work out the height the object was at. So it tells us as well that we want to use 10 newtons per kilogram as our gravitational field strength rather than 9.8. So all we've done here is inserted our values. The next step we want to do, the F here, is to fine tune. Now, fine tune could be all about having to convert. So maybe it is kilograms to grams or vice versa, or minutes to seconds, something like that. But we also might have to rearrange. And so from this equation here, we want to work out the height, so we do have to rearrange. There's nothing to convert, but we've got to rearrange. So if we want to rearrange this equation here, it will be 200 divided by 10 times 10. And we can simplify this even further. We can fine tune it and whittle it down even further. So 10 times 10 is 100. So 200 divided by 100. And then we get to our answer. And so 200 divided by 100 equals 2 meters. So that's our height. Now, if you just work this out at 2 meters and put that as your answer, then you'd gain 1 mark. But by doing all these steps here, potentially you would pick up 3 marks, possibly 4 marks, because you had to rearrange the equation as well. Look at many more of my videos, and when we go through the calculations, I'll always put down the FIFA method. See how I use it so you can start to embed it in your calculations.